Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys what my hair texture is like prior to my little texturizer that I'm about to do. But okay, so this is it already mixed, the ORS olive oil TextLax or whatever. I'm about to put it on the thing. No. Ah, I'm scared. And this hair ain't even attached. Oh, why does that look immediate? Child, I'm scared. Look how fucking long my hair is. Shrinkage, bitch, because what the fuck? Okay, this is where we are at about 3 minutes in. I have been stretching this a little bit, but it's been processing, so let's see what's up. I'm gonna go rinse it. Okay, so I just rinsed the hair, and this is like the difference. So, ooh, please don't get stuck on that again. So first of all, it like doubled the length. This is my hair that I cut out of my head. This is how long my hair is, right? So the shrinkage is a little bit better with the TextLax, and this is only maybe 3-ish minutes, and this is how my hair dries without without this or without anything else on it. So it goes from this, it shrinks like to 1/3 of the length. And I mean, this is better, but instead of like 3 minutes, I might leave it on for like 5. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, this is my experiment. This is the results.